Hello students. We observe and use numbers in our everyday life. So now let us see a small video about our numbers in our everyday life. So we saw that we encounter numbers in one or other way. So today let us go through our lesson playing with numbers. We have studied about different types of numbers. Natural numbers. They are defined as the counting numbers or the positive integers beginning with 1 and increasing by 1. Whole numbers are defined as all natural numbers together with 0. The set of real numbers consisting of positive whole numbers, negative whole numbers and 0 are called as integers. Rational numbers are any number that can be expressed as a fraction of p divided by q, where p and q are both integers, but q cannot be 0. Here is a picture of various types of numbers, that is, natural numbers, whole numbers, integers and rational numbers. Now let us see the numbers in general form. A number is said to be in general form if it is expressed as the sum of the products of its digit with their respective place values. In general, any two-digit number AB made of digits A and B can be written as AB is equal to 10 multiplied by, in the brackets, A plus B close the bracket, is equal to 10A plus 10B. Let us understand this with an example. 52 is equal to 50 plus 2, which is equal to 10 multiplied by 5 plus 2. In general, three-digit numbers can be written as A, B, C is equal to 100 multiplied by A plus 10 multiplied by B plus 1 multiplied by C, which is equal to 100A plus 10B plus C. Let us take an example of 351. 351 is equal to 300 plus 50 plus 1, which is equal to 3 multiplied by 100 plus 5 multiplied by 10 plus 1. Now let us find the letters for digits. Here are two rules we follow while doing these puzzles. Rule number 1. Each letter in the puzzle must stand for just one digit. Each digit must be represented by just one letter. Rule number 2. The first digit of a number cannot be 0. Thus, for example, the number 63 is written as 63 and not as 063 or 0063. The major rule for the puzzle is that it must have just one answer. Let us understand this with an example. Find out Q in addition. 31Q plus 1Q3 gives us 501. There is just one letter Q whose value we have to find. Study the addition in the ones column. That is, Q plus 3 is equal to 1. That is, the number whose ones digit place is 1. For this to happen, the digit Q should be 8. So, we get the puzzle as 318 plus 183 gives us 501. Therefore, we say Q is equal to 8. Let us understand one puzzle from exercise 1.1. 3A plus 25 gives us B2. The solution of this is, we can take any number for A, that is from 1, 2, 3 and so on. As we have A plus 5 is equal to 12, so if we substitute 7 in place of A, we get 12, in which 1's place is 2 and 1 will be a carry over the number 3. So we get 37 plus 25 is equal to 62. Therefore, A is equal to 7, B is equal to 6. Second problem is 1A multiplied by A gives us 9A. Assuming that A is any number from 1, 2, 3 and so on. So, we substitute the letter A with number 6. A multiplied by A is equal to 6 multiplied by 6 giving us 36, in which 1's place is 6 and 3 is a carry over on the number 1, giving us 96. For the next thing, let us look into the tests of divisibility. Let us check the divisibility of 2, 1, 4, 3, 6, 5, 8, 7 by 9. For the solution, we have to find the sum of the numbers, which is equal to 2 plus 1 plus 4 plus 3 plus 6 plus 5 plus 8 plus 7 is equal to 36. 36 is divisible by 9. Therefore, we say the following number is divisible by 9. So students, this is all for today's session of playing with numbers. In the next session, let us study about more interesting things. Thank you students.